What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have this amazing tactical paracord carabiner utility series. Is model 17611W. It says right here 2 to 22 inches, 56 centimeters paracords. Now for climbing. I just got this because I keep losing all my keys everywhere. This is the old carabiner that I used to have, and every time that I hit something, it opens this part of the carabiner, and I keep losing my keys everywhere. It's not secure, so that's why I bought this. Okay, and let's see what is this about. Let's open it. See in the back, it's nothing. Warning, not intended for climbing. Okay, it's nothing else. It looks like it's very good quality. It's pretty strong. I like the color. It's pretty long, so compared to the one that I have, it's kind of a little bit big. Just compared to this quarter right here, so you guys can see the size of it. It's pretty big. Let's get one of my keys so you guys can see how big is it. And one of the things that I like about this is this twist system. It keeps everything secure on this carabiner. So you can see right there is secure. I cannot open it. Okay, open it like this. Then I can put or hang anything that I want. I like the color, it's very nice. The quality is pretty good. Super resistant. This paracord is hard. It comes with this little ring at the end, so you can hang your keys or whatever you want to hang there. Okay, let's try it on with my car key. See how it looks. Okay, let's put it right there. Actually, I'm gonna leave this in here because this is the one that I usually use often. It's gonna be kind of long, but that's okay. And for this one, I'm gonna put my keys in here. There you have it, guys. Pretty good. Looks pretty good. There you have it, guys. The Tactical Paracord Carabiner Utility Series. Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and let me know what you think. And I'll talk to you later, guys.